Welcome to Smart with Points, the podcast where we dive into the world of miles and points and explore the best ways to travel for less. I'm your host, Jack, and today we're talking about an exciting new development from Capital on Tap. They've just announced a 1.25% cashback rate for preloaded spending, and we're going to break down what that means for you and your business. Capital on Tap has introduced a new feature that allows you to load funds onto your card beyond your credit limit and still earn rewards on every transaction. This is a game changer for businesses that make large regular payments, and we're going to explore how you can use this feature to supercharge your rewards earnings. The beauty of this feature lies in its simplicity and flexibility. By preloading funds, you essentially transform your Capital on Tap card into a hybrid credit prepaid card, giving you increased spending power beyond your credit limit, rewards on every pound spent, and simplified expense management for large business payments. As someone who uses Capital on Tap cards regularly, I'm particularly excited about the potential for large tax payments. After Curve reduced its fee-free transaction limit to £3,000, finding ways to earn rewards on VAT and other tax payments has become more challenging. This preloaded spending feature offers an elegant solution. So, how does it work? Well, it's remarkably simple. You go to the Payments tab in your Capital on Tap account, click the Preload option, select Make a one-off bank transfer to get the account details, add Capital on Tap as a payee in your online banking, and transfer funds from your registered business account. That's it. Once the money arrives, your available balance increases, and you'll earn rewards on every transaction. The rewards potential here is significant. Standard Capital on Tap customers can earn 1% cashback, while Pro customers can earn an enhanced 1.25% rate. That's a nice boost from the standard rate, creating an excellent opportunity to increase your business rewards. Let's do some quick math to illustrate the potential. If you're a standard Capital on Tap customer, a £10,000 supplier payment would earn you 10,000 Avios, or £100 cashback. If you're a Pro customer, that same payment would earn you 12,500 Avios, or £125 cashback. That's an additional 12,500 Avios annually, just by using the preloaded feature with a Pro account. These rewards accumulate automatically through payments you'd be making anyway, whether they're for inventory, equipment purchases, marketing expenses, or other operational costs. And if you choose Avios instead of cashback, your rewards potential becomes even more exciting. At our typical Avios valuation of 1.5p each, those 60,000 plus annual Avios could be worth £600 to £900 minimum when redeemed thoughtfully. Now, I know some of you might be thinking, is the Pro account worth it? Well, the annual £299 fee, sometimes offered at £199, pays for itself once you've preloaded and spent around £120,000. That makes it particularly attractive for businesses with substantial quarterly payments. And let's not forget the 6 months zero membership and Radisson VIP status that come with it. In conclusion, Capital on Tap's preloaded spending feature represents a brilliant opportunity to earn additional rewards with minimal effort. Whether you're managing large tax payments, seasonal expenses, or simply want more flexibility with your business spending, this feature delivers significant value. By taking a few minutes to set up preloaded spending, you could earn thousands of additional Avios or hundreds in cashback annually, rewards that might otherwise go unclaimed. Thanks for listening to this episode of Smart with Points. If you want to stay up to date with the latest news and tips on miles and points, be sure to subscribe to our podcast on all major platforms or visit our website at smartwithpoints.co.uk. And finally, a quick word from our sponsor. Looking for the best award flights? Use awardtravelfinder.com to search availability across Qatar Airways, British Airways, Cathay Pacific, and more. Try it for free with our link in the show notes.